Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance with another quick video for you. Not going to go in real depth on the reviews, and I'm battling a cold a little bit, so I hope my voice doesn't sound too awful bad. But in my Klein Tools 7-in-1 flip socket review that I have a video for, and if you haven't watched that, I suggest you do it. This tool is great. Someone suggested it was Beasley 420, so shout out to him, that I should take the shaft out of this screwdriver and put it into the handle of my 14-in-1 adjustable link Klein Tools screwdriver, which I also have a review for, and basically make the Klein Tools Super Screwdriver, because I have all these nut driver functions here, and then you have the ability to put a bit into your 1/4-inch socket, but there's no bit storage in this handle versus there is inside of the 14-in-1. So if you'll take the shaft of the Klein Tools flip socket and put that into the handle of the 14-in-1, you now have all the nut drivers that you can put a bit into the 1/4-inch, along with the bit storage of the 14-in-1 adjustable. So you can hold 12 bits inside of here plus one, so you get 13, and then you have these 6 different socket sizes, which gives you a total of a 19-in-1. So now you have the screwdriver that you can easily throw into your pocket, especially if you're going to crawl into a crawl space or an attic to get to a piece of equipment. And you know how it goes sometimes, that you get in there and you don't want to drag a lot of tools, but sure enough, as soon as you get in there, you need some weird either bit or maybe a 1/2-inch nut driver, and you didn't take it with you, and you've got to make that long journey back to your truck or to your bag to get to that. So this would be a really good idea to have this as your everyday carry, just to throw in your pocket. There's not a lot that you couldn't deal with this, and this is now how I'm going to keep it in my Vito bag, my TP4B, because it's going to save me an extra slot, and now I've got storage and all those things. But I thought that was a really great idea. If you have both of these, you could easily do this. It's going to cost you about $50 though to make this screwdriver, because it's $30 for the flip socket and $20 for the adjustable with the bit storage. So that price tag of $50, it might not be worth it to you to have this screwdriver, but if you've already got both of these, I think that's a really good suggestion. So let me know what you think about that. Let me know if you think that's useful. Like I said, I think that's how I'm going to carry it, at least for a little while, see if I like that. But I wanted to share that with you. I thought that was a really great idea. So thank you to Beasley 420 for suggesting that. And hopefully you guys can get some good use out of this video if you've already got these tools. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.